Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March 27th, 2021, and I'm going to be planting some painted tongue sapgloss seeds today. Now, these need darkness to germinate, and they germinate in about 7 to 14 days. So, they tell you to barely cover the seeds, but the seeds are really tiny. So, I might put them in, I might surface sow them and put them in a dark location for them to germinate. Because they tell you to barely cover them, so we'll just barely cover them here. There we go. And I'm doing about 2 seeds per sow, and I'm using the Jiffy Natural Inorganic Seed Starting Mix. And I'm just dropping my seeds in here. I'm just gently covering them there. You can see the little seed right there. Just pressing it in with the back of my nail, and I'm just gently, barely covering it there. So we're going to try some not covering them and just putting them in the dark location and seeing if it works. So I'm going to finish planting these, and then I will come back and show you what to do next. So I'll be back. Okay, so I have this all planted and covered. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to gently mist over the top of the soil. And that's going to get my seeds nice and moist, and I'm going to get it labeled, and I'm going to put it on the floor, and one of my floor is heated by a radiant heat, so I'm going to put it on the floor in one of my containers with a loose covering lid, because your seeds need oxygen to germinate. So when these start germinating, I will come back and I will show you what they look like. So we'll be back. Okay, so today is April the 6th, 2021. And on March the 31st, my sapgloss seeds started germinating. So I did take them out of the tray, and I took them off the floor, and I put them on a shelf in the greenhouse here. You can see here what the little seedlings look like. Now, I've never grown these before from seed, so it's going to be interesting to see what they look like and to see how they bloom. They're supposed to have beautiful blooms on them. Now, when these start getting their true leaves, I am going to start feeding them with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of the plant food to a gallon of water. And you never want to feed a dry plant because you can burn the root system on it. So make sure your soil is nice and moist before you feed your plants. And I'm going to feed them 1 time a week with that mixture to get them off to a good growing start there, and to help establish the root systems on them. Now, these will get set outside after the danger of frost has passed. And you do want to harden your seedlings off before you just take them outside. So I have videos on my channel for how to do that, and you can check those out. So as these continue to grow, I'm going to come back with more videos, and I'm going to show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!